TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumewood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone.
Okay, and then so your sign a share bio COVID-19 update. You did Bremo free Mondays, see Fridays, and then so Wednesday. Nyame Ede Achaye, Yadi Ebro live. Ewo Kumewood TV. So, Sene Debi no. You want update. Nafi and Sensema Abebabi Bamuno. Yedi ho enkomo na wonso wonya konya na wafre na wabam na wonso wabekire wadwene se ne baya Ghana ebetumpon na akọ na nim medin ede Samuel Kwabna Dako aka Sam Dakus ende empanyimfo hia ye be fa adwene na afei de enim efa COVID-19 ho no yede atodwa ama wonso wahu de ekọ ene nia eba yehwe oman yi mu ana say the whole world COVID-19 nia ayeye ana ne egusu a eyeye yebema mahu ne ekọ ena Ghana ha nia ekọ nso yebema mo ehu ne nyina but ye ka nyina ne say bo ho ban esan say yare no ewo ho enu ti bo ho ban ade a obaya ade bebo ho ban no ene se obahoro wonsa brano bia obahoro wonsa wonim se wakọ apia bontene aba obeduru fi ahoro wonsa kama wayi wontare agu baabi na se yede agu washing machine mo se yebesiu na yasi afei so opia boboden asebo yisu nose mask bi na watimi ede abo ho ban ka na wotimu no se wankasa kwatrem na hu se obi nyusu nose mask ne bia cars ne doso obetimesi fom na wafa foforo yare no wankasa na se obo ho ban obi entimi mebo no ho ban emmawo enti wa na ese obo ho ban mesrewa se yedi sa niema we su a me ye sure say Nanado ye president sebi oda obeda esan se so okọ ewiase afana nyina na wohwe senia yare no si kuma manfo a eya na anode so far ye call the whole world ye were 3.13 million people sebi yare yi bi achiwo 3.13 million yare yi bi achiwo osha omo amotimi recover the whole world 938 million eno ye omo amotimi recover 938 ena omo a sebi omo awu 218 enye ayo million enti ayade a yare no aye hu papa wote ho a na wabo ho ban ye ba Ghana ha confirm cases a yate anase enim so far ebi beka ho anwumre di a yente but so far the eba nra a ye ka kire mo ye 1671 cases ena aye confirmed ewa Ghana emu 188 ena aye recovered ena so far emu 16 ena Nyankopon ato nensa ede afrel yeba Ghana ni echiche mu regions na Greater Accra region Greater Accra and I'm so me greater antino omo de no was eno aye 1,500 1433 yeba Ashanti regional yena yenso yetoso 84 yehuriko yeko yanim 84 yeko Eastern regional 57 Eastern region because omo ban Greater Accra nti omo so eko manimpa oba Upper East regional 18 oba Central region 18 and oba Oti region enso was 17 and Northern region was 13 Volta region 11 and Western region enso was 9 Western region was 9 and Upper West region was 8 and afi North East region enso was 2 ye kan say na no ebia na benwa na obehu senia esitie we ni ensem bebrea ya tenase a ye de ebrew enu ntimisra ofreunua na unua bi nso freni nua se emre naso Kumawood TV ye tu ye ho asi wo se sebe yen viewers de ye be more information sa mo betimi e de atenase ye quick commercial break ba na beja for ha ye betenase ne abonchire.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedie Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedie Sini papa be na upe bi ahwe amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedie Kumawood TV amansane yena yediemu
Eka unkumatia enka mewu
No makwaba ediba Kolike Medicals Limited you Kumasi Airport roundabout Kwanye Kobo Kromo Utra Police Junction Ehwana Kolike Medicals eye asye anase hospital ewo Kumasi Kroduemu na ebota esi emesu nse ba de befa yensa so aboa nkofo dodo a ewo how ewo woni paduemu nka nyarewa diseases ye hwe ya repeat say arthritis eno pemu ni enkase mu sasabro isisi ya de obi adensem abu e wo say hye ni POP obi wonya dislocation of any of the bones or joints o de bakolika ebeboa ama o mato make us say hypertension and when you diabetes and when you kidney problem or nice attack but modern brand na only ever 20 year na you will immerse some quite the juma and yet no one so you will infidel abodo on one and they check the peduano you will laboratory sector and they share the peduano emoji mu ya dia air cost and send the true account sebi ya kusia wo fie ya pop school akosia de ebi mo fi tech ebi mo fi chana ene ya kan ye kwaboma ye boase ni padodo bi obeba ye nchen no erade be fa ye nsaso e de apoto ama won enti oni a wo hwe me o pe ba bi akwa o pa ya resabia bi akwa tutu na mo bra Kolike Medicals Limited ye wo Kumasi Airport roundabout kwana e ko buku na se am to akwa ne so no ubeti ma free telephone numbers na umu afidie so na se emwa bi ana o ha bi e che so a tutu aminkabra na erade be fire so aboa ama hoto aba ene abusiafo ene nafofo nyina eso
Kolike Medical Limited ye physiotherapy units ena ye chere uba ya suya ye wo yade am bibira yesa aha massage units ye wo machine a ye di ya obi a the children pain kasem ana say na aposo the joint area eno sada nchin a ye wo UV light machine a to nipa no so a sɛ mpo no ebi a na bintin ne blood vessels no baabi asisi emu akɔrɔto a ɛwɔ mo ntin no ɛma emogya no etumi edi efusane sɛ woba yɛ aso a yɛwɔ yadeɛ ahodoɔ bebree a yɛsa ɛnyɛ nnuro ɛnwa na yɛde ma wo yɛsan wɔ machines a yɛde edi nipadua no ho dwuma sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a akwan no nyinaa bɛnya n'ahoɔden yɛka yare bi te sɛ ɛyɛ male and female infertility a woba Polychem Medical Limited sɛ ɔbaa a ɔpɛ awoɔ na awoɔ ho ayɛ den ama no anaasɛ bɛrima a ɔpɛ awoɔ na ne mpaboa no ahoɔden nim a obetumi ama ɔbaa anyinsɛn ɔmfa n'ani nkyerɛ ha ɛno nso si da nkyɛn a ɛyɛ stroke obi a wanya stroke sɛ ne fa ɛna adwodwo anaasɛ ne nipadua mu no nyinaa ɛna adwodwo a ɔmfa n'ani nkyerɛ ha yare bi te sɛ kidney problem ɛyɛ typhoid junso mu yareɛ ɛne nam yareɛ syphilis gonorrhea deɛ ɛno deɛ na yɛ sɛ wode duru ha yɛbɛte ne kyɛ yɛba ɛmaa no nso ɛfɛ ko a obi a ɔwɔ fibroid sɛ yɛse na awodeɛ no yare bi abɛdam ɔmfa n'ani nkyerɛ ha mmarima no obi a ɔwɔ ɛyɛ n'apɔ so taa yɛ ne ya anaasɛ obi a ɔntumi na ebi a depression ebi a stress ɛna ama saa yadeɛ wei nyinaa ba ɔmfa n'ani nkyerɛ ha aha ɛyɛ laboratory center ɛyɛ test ahodoɔ nyinaa bi ɛwɔ ha
Polychem Medical yɛwɔ Kumase airport runabout medamose
Eka unkuatia Enka mehuo Otamfu neka unkua Nakama
sɛ moatwɛn yɛn na yɛkɔ commercial break asan aba bi wɔyɛ COVID-19 ho update ɛna yɛde brɛ live mo a mohwɛ no wɔ YouTube no na kyerɛ mo sɛ wɔn sɛnde ɛma madɔfo sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a obi nso ɛbɛtumi ahwɛ COVID-19 ho nsɛm nti wohwɛ no wɔ YouTube a ɛyɛ Samdakus TV wobɛtumi asɛnde ɛde ama wadɔfo na afei yɛn nso yɛtumi ama update bi a ɛwɔ ha ɛwɔ sɛ wɔn nsa ɛtumi ɛka mabɛgyafoɔ atena ase na DJ Lofty deɛ ɔyɛ obi a de bia yɛne no ɛna wɔ ha ɔyɛ media practitioner nti DJ Lofty ɛwɔ akɔ aba ne mpom te sɛn ɛda nyankopɔn ase me nose mask no ɛm sɛ ɛha me kakra nti ɛsɛ metumi yi na me ho tumi because social distance no ɛyɛ adwuma wa ɛnyɛ easy ɛnyɛ easy sɛ yɛwɔ sizes ntɛm sɛ woanhwɛ wo tii ne wo size a ɔnhwɛ a ɔkɔ yi obi wotumi nsusu nhwɛ ɛno ne problem nti wogye yɛ ana yɛ sɛ wagye ade nti na ne yɛnyɛ ne sɛ wankasa wokɔ a na yɛahwɛ wo ti size sɛnea wo pam trouser na ka yɛpama ma okay ɛnna yɛnya panyin baako a ɔno nso firi KMA a ɔno nso de n'anim onyam ɛbɛta dwumadie yi akyi ɛyɛ environmental subcommittee governor a ɔwɔ KMA convener environmental subcommittee convener a ɔwɔ KMA ɔno nso ɛtumi aba abɛka yɛn nsa ne din ɛyɛ Muslim Salifu ɛmakɔ aba ne mpom de sɛ kakra ɛbɛyɛ ndɛn ama yɛde nneɛma butubutu ano saa ne yɛhwene sanity sanity yɛhwɛ wɔ aso ɛyɛ hɔ yɛkasa obi environmental subcommittee ɛyɛ ɛdɛn paa na oyɛ
ba assembly ni na ye wo committee a wo no assembly yo committee a wo be tuba no assembly
Wow, okay.
committee ya se kaso ke na se una wo na sa committee na
Okay. As a chairman. Okay.
na ISSI environmental committee na wo assembly
Udano as a chairman. Una chair meeting. Okay. Okay. All right, yehu nipa oye. Aye no eba twetwe enkomo no. Na mehwe enne no so far de bia eba edi kan eye update no ho enkomo. Na fe yehu se kosoro eba form Ghana ye ya famo de ama enema ayeye ana se de ye no enkoyie ana ye president Nanado ka asama bia yeniso ene ma de ekosoro ana se sen nti de bia na ye ba yedi kan ehwe ho na ehu se level na ayekọ no eye ana se enye na fe measures ben o se edigu akwa mu a etimi ekoso na wo KMA menim se the farm environment ene ho nema udi mu akotene yare ba ye so far up to now enema government ede agu akwan mu ene nema monso de agu akwan mu no ekosen ekoyie ana se nkoyie
edinka netia active for ni ashefo
yeah
sabre ya twin komo eni se yare ba se de osikan ye di ho akotene sa eni se e kai se mo ba Dr. Mensa Bola
yeah
ema minimu eye
interview yeah
yeah na jumadi ni ma na eguso aye wa o hwe yedwa hodo a ewo kumase ha enkankan KMA ye o dwa ahodo bako eduenu bako yeah 21
within Kumasi and I said
Kumasi Metro
wow
minka the larger Kumasi
yeah
minka Kumasi
Metro yeah
your market bako 21 yes the biggest market in the central market
yeah
into the kind of satellite markets we share COVID-19 by and now say take advantage net me some market na share ahunye ho asem na ye hwe say BCC mobile no the last time mobile no the two send ye clean up exercise
yeah
clean up exercise a cleaning ho nyina e make sure say bebia na ye nya kwan on daily basis I be around no akọ clean on due to COVID-19 no you are taking one advantage at me ura bebia I clean up notwithstanding na ye ka social distance one asem and so na daily activities are ye no
you say na e den ma mo pa
edin wo ben den
ko ye ba wa mutimi e ka kire mo se bia enamunye sei obako beba no
na ma ya asem foforo
ade foforo
enkankan da ye ba be ye clean up exercise kra no ye ba ho no Monday e be ball mo kokose ade chin Tuesday ye ba be clean up exercise ma o mu be shedwa e wo ho ade chi a ma chi me ba ho no be 4:30 am be he
na wayema
butu
wow sa na mo ba o market ana say we ni tina mo yes mo brantam na
the issue o share o market na o na man ya e ba ahomache nti nse o di na man free kwa mu e ba e bedru ahomache nti ahomache no ya na dudu na eta ba market ho no e ba be didwa nti o ma e beto ade ni o ma e be yi na ma e na your group bi o wa e from ma so mu fo o ba that time no e be yi na ma e bi beto na ma ko nti me ba ho na e ho ma I am ma nti the two take the intervention of securities
okay
if securities ma mo ba ho no e na o me pa mo fi o ansa na ye nya kwan ayɛ saa clean up exercise na yɛpɛ sɛ yɛyɛ.
Okay, but as a matiti say central market or baby, say ya your president and Adodankwa Akufo-Addo say you use nose masks no. Na o ko baby any power. Na say being count one. I think say ya ma unko. Me say and one of the markets no. A man be and na a chi will be. Na nipa na say on share oni bi. And almost only be a yard of woman in room. A man now, yes, a police. And almost in a train 30 minutes. Say, an ambition bottom, but ya no, why not just say on farm more. Sancrophone, Munya Mamma young day.
Sir, directives I buy and say, we share no smart, sir. You don't have to come into the public. And you can say, oh, baby, nipa crowd, ewo. Nti emi say wa obe flout salon ni de o say mra no e share den edi because ade a yesi obi anhye na directives ni ba en ka se fa show butum ana se fa show bag ti wa woni se be bia wo kono so be bia nipa dudu o e den ewo nti untimi nka se e bia me wo bi na me nyanhye se me ya kire keke se me wo bi na yama me kwan say me wura baby a ense say me eden me ko no any excuse nti ade ne de ekutawa eno ntre say me mfa nhye esi obi anhye nose mask ansa na wa free even directives ni cry esa ka say baby a obi dru cry e bi nhye no security etimi e ma o sign ko back ko fie and I say obeko baby obeko akunyi bi ahye bi ansa na wa be give media say
enno na ye din komo ha na ye panel member ba ko e ka say any parliament e may law say SSA ye force obi say chinchina won share nose mask enno no o dey na work fa ho because me na me de me pe wo say ye nhye ba me de misi mempe ye wo sebi nsori bia o mano moja os ompe enti obewu a onwu eno no de ade na okafa ho
say no different o ja me say lockdown in kra buy me mfa ni say first address our president here sena ebinimu ka say directives are already by and call parliament. And my uncle Shemra say, the oye and yen shemukena. But actually, no, say Omudi call parliament. Emma, ebe law. Into when you crown, say, and fan call crown, wow, show us sitting in moi. Upi say, and no, a bebwa, na say, ain't me more who buy. Say, Bibi or Hua, Upi say, and yamra quite so. Bet and also no a bebwa or can be so. So we options no a share. Now who say we no a bebwa even though young fam ranye de entire who no crowd. A idea we use a bebwa. Okay. Because Usha WO World Health Organization recommend say using of nose masks very important. Yeah. Am I? And a Ghana Health Service and Kasanso etnasi. If say nose masks in a wedding, a bebwa. You don't have to argue over what you don't know. Okay.
Young Queen, I'm call Mebra Lofty Enra Enumera no you say Ghana cases no 1,671 and recovered no a year 188. And no more on my 16 so far. I did some now. Okay, son, with us now, mother at the phone, so I'm bringing now, time now, I'm also to Jumadi. The dog must be so I said, only what, yes, you know, that's not so one shot, and I say, Jumadi, and to me, Uncle Baby. And Munti, and the Tennessee. Na yepese yadefo no ehunu enyema ekoso ewo man no mu efa yare corona virus no se ne be ya ebeboa ama
asetena no ayɛ fɛ na ayɛ dɛ ɛnso ɛtumi ɛde ama yɛn ɛno nti sɛ wobisa me a sam wohwɛ ɛnora cases a ɛbaa yɛ yi a adeɛ kye bɛpem saa bere no yɛnya ɛnte biribiara yɛhu sɛ bia bɛka ho ɛna ɛno nso so a ɛso ɛnsan ɛmmɛtee because kɛyɛ na nka adeɛ kye yɛsɛ ebi mɛka ho ne mom
recovered no ɛkɔ soro
na ɛho sɛ but sisi anyɛ ntumi nka sɛ ɛyɛ ne gyesɛm abɛyɛ awerɛhosɛm ɛde ama ɔman Ghana sana mɛka no because ɛnya asɛm a ɛɛdɛ a ɛbɛboa nipa nti no yɛmɛka no sɛ sesei no yareɛ no ɛwɔ hɔ ɛne yɛaba bɛtena nti sɛneɛ ɛbɛyɛ a figure no a yɛreka ho asɛm no wo deɛ ɛmɛka ho na me nso me deɛ ɛmɛka ho nti ɛno nti ɛna mpanimfoɔ de hyɛ aba sɛ yɛmmɔ yɛn ho mmɔden sɛ yɛbɛhyɛ nose mask no na yɛma nsa hohoro no atumi yɛn with running water na afei yɛsan bɔ mmɔden sɛ
so podium kakra wɔ hɔ mema ahwɛfoɔ ahu sɛ ɔmo a na ɔmo hwɛ YouTube no de na ɛkɔ so but afei na ɔjoin ne yɛn wɔ TV so a wei ɛyɛ COVID-19 ɛho nkɔmmɔ sɛne de bia yɛyɛ no ɛno ɛnɛnɛ yɛsi nkonnwa yɛbobo ho so far Ghana ɔmo a ɔmo anya bi ɛyɛ 1671 ɔmo a ɔmo recover ɛyɛ 188 ɛna sɛbe ɔmo a ɔmo firim anaasɛ ɔmo awuo ɛyɛ 16 ɛno ho nkɔmmɔ ɛna yɛdie DJ Lofty ɛna Martin Nkana ɔno nso ɔkyerɛ n'adwene ɛde afa ho yasan nso ɛnya panyin baako a ɔno nso ɛwɔ KMA a ɔno nso ɛwɔ ha ɔboa yɛn but sɛ de DJ Lofty ɛna ɛwɔ pronso a ɔkasa Lofty mamintio
it is some ne na me kan sɛ yɛma nsa hohoro no ehia yɛn nose mask no sɛ ne mpanimfoɔ aka no yɛ yusu na ɔpanyin ka asɛm bi na wobɛyɛ correction wɔ hɔ ma no nti na I feel sɛ na ɛyɛ okay pa because ade ne nya mɛyɛ mmra nti no obi ntumi nhyɛ wo kyenkyena kye sɛ hyɛ adeɛ no but woyɛ nipa da sɛni na wonim sɛ yareɛ no sɛneɛ ɛsi kɔ no wo nso so wobɛtumi abɔ ho ban with nose mask na ɛsɛ sɛ wo hyɛ ɛni kwan sɛ wotwɛn koraa sɛ obi mmɛka nkyerɛ wo sɛ hyɛ nose mask no nti yɛn nyinaa yɛmfa nto yɛn ho so na sam yɛmma saa deɛ wɔ mu nya yɛn sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a numbers no a da biara yɛka sɛ wɔ ayere so a 2 days ɛnɛ yɛ bi ama yi wɔ adeɛ bɛkye wobɛhu ano sɛ aba bɛka ho wohwɛ yɛ health front liners na da biara ɔmo ba a nsɛm a yɛne ɔmo di nkɔmmɔ ɔmo ka no ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ da biara nkɔfɔ test positive da biara nso yɛre no gu so ɛkɔ so once a yɛgu so a yɛ test no na no na obi ka kyerɛ sɛ Lofty na yɛbɛ test a da biara yɛbɛnya bi deɛ ɛne yɛnya test yɛ na mo sɛ deɛ yɛgya test deɛ asɛnea nka yɛbɛwu paa
so hu deɛ ɔnya bi
good kyerɛ sɛ yɛgu so test da biara yɛbɛ test biara nso figures no ɛkɔ soro nti yɛn test deɛ a yɛnya figure biara nti sɛ yɛnya figure biara nso asam ɛdeɛ na bɛba
ɛne na kyerɛ sɛ
na ewuo no ana
wɔ ha no wawu
good wɔ ba no wawu obi hu sɛ yare coronavirus ɛna akum nti ɛbɛsrɛ
but so far testing no ne ɛho ayi no the whole world yɛbɔ Ghana aba so paa
yɛbɔ Ghana aba so na abasobɔdeɛ no sam ɛnya nwie pɛyɛ nka yɛbɛtumi anya abasobɔdeɛ no yie paa na nka afei deɛ yɛnya cases no biem na mmom yɛnya recovery no nti nka ɛyɛ na nka recovery no ɛrekɔ n'anim ɛna cases no ɛreba fam anaa ɛgyina ne ɛgyina a ɛno mmom ɛna yɛbɔ Ghana aba so a na afei yɛbɔ Ghana aba so ɛno mpo no nka bɛma other countries no a ɔmo nso face saa coronavirus challenge yi bi no ɔmo bɛba bɛbisa yɛn ɛdeɛ na Ghana fɔ mo yɛ a ɛnɛ yi nneɛma ɛkɔ sɛ na afei nka yɛtumi nso aka sɛ yɛn nso yɛdeɛ a yɛyɛ ni na obi nso ahwɛ na wasua na yɛhu sɛ ɔman Ghana yɛbɔ yɛn ho mmɔden asate na wo yi a sam yɛte a yɛkasa deɛ yɛntumi nka sɛ yɛabɔ Ghana fo aba so nti yɛsɛ sɛ yɛma yɛtirim ɛyɛ yɛ dɛ we have a long way to go
sɛ adeɛ deɛ ka oyɛ adeɛ na ɛkɔ yia because sɛ wohwɛ the whole world other countries no ebi yɛte sɛ ebi aba hɔ no hwɛ the rate at which a increase yɛ ɛne ɔmo death rate no increase yɛ na hwɛ yɛ deɛ yi me fancy Africa eba ye ache almost be me fancy e crash start to say almost more than 2 months still na no yentimi ko asoro to say America ne Italy ne other places no meaning say African leaders no e born Muhammad just say born mabaso
you betumi aka nsa ne abɔ mabaso in fact omo ye adwuma omo ne omampani nyina omo asade ne say ɛsɛ sɛ omo bɔ Ghana fo ho ban efi yare coronavirus sam ye ka ne say sɛ ebi nso anka kɔba sɛ ɔman konko Ghana nka America ma mu ne yɛte a ebi nso so anka yɛ nyina yɛase ahye ɛsan sɛ yɛhwɛ equipment ne nneɛma a America fo wo a yare ne bi ɔmo akɔdu mpɛmpɛn so ɔte sɛ yi ebi ɛyɛ weather condition ana sɛ facilities a ɔmo wɔ no sam ɔmo sɛ aborɔfo no ɔmo yusu nneɛma bebree a ebi wɔ kora places bi wɔ hɔ a nipa a ɛtimi kɔ hyia mu wɔ hɔ no na ɛyɛ nipa bebree
yɛ ka baabi a nipa hyia mu a yɛntete yɛ ntɛm ne nka bibifo because aborɔfo kora deɛ ɔmo yɛ ahia kakra nti bi wɔ hɔ a wokɔ ne nkyɛn kora na ɔtwe ne ho but yɛka ɔmo taataa so a yɛmfa ho deɛ a kamfin sɛ bibifo
sam ɛyɛ no korɛ sɛ nka yɛ bibifo bara ebi a na ɛnyɛ ntaataasoɔ no nso kora keke because megye yɛ sɛ nka ɛyɛ ntaataasoɔ no a nka saa bere Ghana fo de nka nyina kora nka yɛ but what na make it saa ntaataasoɔ no ebi nya bukyire hɔ nanso wohwɛ saa yare wɔ sɛ ne esi baayɛ no a yɛsɛ immune system ɛna aborɔfo no so according to our research a ɔmo ayɛ no ɔmo afiri mu a ɔmo yɛ yare no bɔ paa no a ɔmo de yɛ critical ɔmo afiri mu nyinaa yɛ mpanyinfoɔ
ɛsɛ wo kan sare yɛ mpanyinfoɔ bebree wɔ Ghana yɛ mpanyinfoɔ bebree wɔ Ghana ha ɔmo so
yɛ mpanyinfoɔ ya no mu a
okay so that is the point maame nkɔ honorable so ɛdeɛ ntina abibifoɔ no ɛkye yɛn deɛ recovery no ɛkɔ so ɛna afei nso ntimi nkɔ so too much sɛ aborɔfo deɛ
well Charles I will say consider some factors weather condition a big factor so share said your muhonum any yen hanum STN now I say there's a variation of weather condition and also a bit me accurate
because I born up a day chilled
sir and also I had no so I'll share weather year completely different from this so I just say cry by a neighbor new castle not blacks cry into me more moon na no no interessa but me consider weather conditions no
but say weather there that means Ghana baby a year so true because ye ko June July yenso ye weather no esisa ema awia pie ewo ukọ mefa no say other countries ema ensuo toward this side so level a ye mu no so ye very risky.
Yeah, the issue is ushe ye weather system no say uka June July ensuo na beto but upon say ensuo to no you can't compare ye weather no to that of them.
Baby a snow beto
baby a snow obitimi nam snow mu na ade so be ye hanum kura ni ensuo to a ade beti na wiabo so but omo no mu nya ni saa so say winter throughout
nti heat no ebo ma abo no oba ho kra ontimi nche
sana express ni bi echere
wow
so sana express ni bi
okay na obi so beka se ene sana tie de ha yenya enti ehunwum na de onam awia so ton na de on ton na de
oh there be solution so I see prevention is better than cure so beti ho asim na wabenya amani a afi na oba betina sha ayese anka minima eno no emwa
okay
eno no kra no hwa ye ka social distancing ni kra na ye dia hye ye market obi wura ho no mo akika mo ho abom tu ka na ade a ye na ma ye educate o mo say there is the need say on be observe social distancing say be ya ebe boy na so
okay woni gusu a wo hwe Kumawood TV we COVID-19 ho update ena yede ebro medin ede Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Sam Dako so mamenka wo say a free next week corner yede dwumadi a yato ni say CNP yede bro live our Kumawood TV CNP no enyina ne say yen political parties ene ya manyo sema sebe ye no Ghana ha no ebinum eka nokore ebinum so edi nkontompo enenam ye de yebetena ha de oka nokore no yebeka de otwa nkontompo no yebeka ene ntune yebesinipi na yaka na yeka no so na ye de COVID-19 honsem edi erewrem enti sa time we ya a free 4:30 ekosi 6:30 from Mondays to Fridays ye de dwumadia yatun din se CNP edi bebro enti mama yen hye so ye kasa ya empacho number a test line no at the screen so betimi do text message at the afaso and I say WhatsApp line and I say WhatsApp message no so betimi da fa WhatsApp no so the same line or the first one you be ready near the amount 0543 596070 0543 596070 Lofty
Sam
yen hwe regions no ekosora na ekoso okọ Greater Accra region say medical kan na obi atu kwan obabesi na enkran na manfra fonso wo ho ti asodin fonso wo ho pa enti enkran ekuta 1433 na obakomase a yeso yasodin kakra enti no eno nso yeso ahuri ko yanim amana ko 884 oko Eastern ewo 57 na Upper East enso ewo 18 Central region eko 18 Oti region eko 17 na Northern region eko 13 Volta region enso 11 Western region 9 Upper West 8 and afi North East 2. What do you take on that?
Share idea of Boya. Obi tintin obaka say aden loto time aso. Ye bolo to numbers.
Media kra I am say ya to aba na ye bobo polling centers no.
Nenso enye loto. Enye election time. But yare ena affecting
ni pasa.
Ena ama ene ye bo figures no a ebo wa wotia na ye mo hye. Sam ade we enkrade no kwa de enhyeda nye me won pi sans obi nya fro plane na oba Ghana ba bi
obi se kura na ye ma flight into enkomma nti ade na still a ho no increase sir
Sam abrochire for no so munya ba no be du ba ansa na ba kuma se kura no wo kro ti betran kran
echilia on ka kura se waba
o kuma se na so ye be ma wo na bodo nku bi a oni na be hia won kran ena o maji o mania wo ha sabre no a ena actually odi beba kumase enti di kwa menka say wanje na ni awie won kran ama na me du kumase ena ya hwe no ba ya ebiamenka say kwan wantumi ama kumase
okay
enti enkran ya ne de enhyeda nye won wapi kumase Ashanti region ejebe enti na ma ya hwe no ekwa ni musa bigidi say obi su tu kwan sa ono be onya kwan ba be du kumase ena nam so ma ya hwe no ekwa ni mu anya hwe oni ni pa ba ku nyenu bi hia ai ena mu di nkomo sabre region bi ti ho a omo so ka se oh ye de ye nya bi internet se de ya de pa sana me gidi ye se sam wo be kai a yare e sha ase no na Greater Accra ena na leji ena ba Ashanti region asa
ne nko ba bia
sa bi mu pe ena na sa yare odiawo coronavirus
okay
na ewo actually ena nwanwaso a na ebura dwen na so Eastern region
Eastern there by
enso huri ba
voter there no so by 10 go for 10 bi na mo free we be wura mu no no na ye
northern yeah and some Ibenya Eastern region there every call 31 or 32 at the time and the man Eastern region there every call other regions now can you some so on me by ya na 1111 na bi kura nya bi in this region bi wo se CI
na se wonya bia
na omo adwe nyina ko yo mo say ha de bi mai enti eni hu kwan se ye nose mask eni hu kwan se hye ya omampani dia ba no ese se edi so a ene na me bo omo kokko se omo so nya hwe yi ese ne other regions na omo de ye one na ebi kura nya bi a nei ebi atimi akoko no ebi ana wo de no so kura na ebeba yi na eba be chen ebe huru kura be tra something region there nobody knows some adena ye hu ni sa no enkofo bi dia ya agro omo fi se yare no kura nei no obi sant Ghana ha ye for so say won say nose mask still na won sign
o bi to dia shen botom
won yin ni say yare no kura wo Ghana for e wo asode honhom bi e wo ya bra ko mu a e ye bra esase yi fi wo da bia me ka say e bra e wo mu emu ode enye se na me pe no gidi ye so obi wo hwe ye so sam enye sa na wo pe no ene yare ba yi amanhuma nyina say enti wo a wonyi ni say yare no wo ho na wo ya asode say no smart no pra wo yusu no ene wadwuma say wo koton ade kra ye nto ene obi a okọ kwan so e ko fa nyema begu dan mu a o beton wo de prices atoto so o beton na bodo nya na mfa so ene wo say nipa na ye nto ene obi a oton ntoma ye nto ne ntoma dressing bag ana boutique for minim say ne kra ye to a because ene obi ko to sa nyema no a sam wo de kwa sorry obi ware into wo de ko wedding eyie na football life e de ko ene sa nyema ni nyina e wo ho ye nto ene bibia say indi sa wo ya asoden say wo de nose mask na enyema ana hyehyɛ a empanimfo de gu fom say ye nyina ye ni so na emwa no say wo ya asoden na wa anye bia sa figures ya ye bobɔ na Ashanti region na Greater Accra na Eastern region one regions aye bobɔ nyina mo ebetimi a increase akɔ nanim chense enti ebesere obi bia say this is the time one esese ye nyina ye ya asotie na yetie omampani na nadoda kwa kufo ado obetimi aye na afo mu de enye bibia na omampani betimi aye de ama obia na mo won susu wo de a obetimi aye na wo de abo a won se na be ya yade no ebi ma so na won so figure no bi ema meka ho se na da sam aye a meka no ana region kromo a wo mu no sa region no ebi ema ho gidi say ye na sa figures here ye bobo Ashanti region na Eastern region ene one enka e ka say ya ma ye ena ka ebi ma meka ho biem ena nka ho toba gidi say ka be ye osebo be ye digi sem ama wiase afa na nyi
okay mama ko Salifu so ye hwe the rate at which a free region way na co region way na co region way etre ekona mwan na enye na dwuma yi eye timamefo no anase aban na enye na dwuma yi
aban de se ore na so timamefo ni se na esika ase asodi no atos sabri ya ewo bi enye abra e o se asodi e said we share some figures ya shashen na other regions almost all the regions you see obia
will be is it almost 11 regions
I think say una half
yenya record day other regions be nya record
na omo de beka ho de dem say omo ni wa ayenya ho
yeah
the exception of Bunu region and almost
is it bi wo kra na bi se bi wo se akra na bia hu
yes yeah because em say be bia obi anyi said the Esishase na a work grant. I transfer back Kumasi from Kumasi and Easton, near my mind. I say, yeah, they transfer, they are near there. A month for 8 million. How? It's weird, sad, and I did obey free.
That's a Omudru border hona, a bill of me, a cofa, Kotikwanbi, not almost have a cross. No ma fa another car no meanwhile no baby am free am ban nyina no sometimes o ma ba chi won no be test le positive
sanity so na say yen ke mi akra inya foreigners bi a yakọ test o mu ya quarantine mo a ye hwe mo kopim say yare be ye yansana ya release yo
test positive and I say my first test back
my first test akadi aka nti o say quarantine mo pending say be say further text
okay
na ya hwe a mo ha
okay
but usha inya foreigners bi a ye ti o mo e test o mo positive
yeah
so nti the fact that say we ejuma o border as a security person yedi wa kotu border se hwe ye border maye na border no o ti wa nkrofo ba na wa jiska na se wa bibi ama o manya kwant me awura Ghana. I say you are doing the service to your country.
Fine, but make us say obi etu kwan o semeko Togo akofa ne ma ba beton okoduru ho no na sa lockdown e bae e tutu border sin nyina
Yeah.
one ne sika won ho krasa won baby ote onya sika ntua obitima tranwasa e makoma de na manawu
Untimi my common nini e maninko but emi say some measures wo ho even say name be border na those kind of people no o person consider the money ba
so
yeah
quarantine no
sanity eni pan say ye mani pani ba freely no move say bia even nipa no eti be e wo be no dey region ye see be sin ko bia na ya ni bi e won ho o di ko no dey region na o dey so e dey akosan wo ma e wo ho through that and yatimi record those figures no in other regions but anke adia measures are ready by initially no it me this year anka sa figures ya ebubo boy anka yanzu sa level.
Okay, Mr. Salifo, environmental subcommittee convener KMA and DJ Lofty omo and you know what to drink COVID-19 update so me pacho obetimi e de o test line e de afa number na that screen is no na afa ya kenkan e de ama assemble na woka e de afa ensema ye bobo ho e wo hai senia e free Greater Accra e ba Kumasi e ko Eastern na e ko West na e ko ha wa otifi a wo hwe kwan bes ne be fa sabe yen free region enko region foforo na se bi wo ho wo region wa hwe abo ho ban aye anase wa sa ho yare ansana wo de akọ different region waje nkyere ne sen obetimi e de afa 0543 596070 0543 596070 yenya ntie se massive disinfection exercise ekoso ewo Accra airport and Kotoka International Airport and Afesu Kumasi Airport and other airports yewo ewo yemaimu meaning say from 1st May flight ever started domestic flight no ever started ayeduma no kwanso because still yare no ho yare no so free play mo na dey buy you and yes have jai ye ho atatra play mama yare na san aye kasia na loved
Sam medase na answer na me ba ho no obi message bi o de ma me Sam sere kakra bra ye kan say opani kasa na o ka say ye ma kwan ma ye borders no mu ye loose kakra e ma grofo bi etimi ewurawura mu omo so tested positive and obi sam say adan na mpanimfo no ka omo ma ye hu Ghana for do a omo akasa anya infection na omo so so a omo so be wura mu a omo nya Ghana for no a omo de yare no ba na ye mo hu yesa na abaya mi mhihia man enti
sa no nka omo tio de ogina ehọ na me fan say we security personnel no ono onye doctor na otimi test e hu say dipa na owure mu no obi anase oni bi onde ebi kakra obaji ahye no ha no kan yeso masin ko
sam 17 ya na opa chere nka e ba se nka figures no e ba ye ma Ghana fo hu say Ghana fo nipa sei ena enya yare ni bi na mum foreigners a omu rodra ye borders ni mu ba abonten a omu nso enya bi no say because omu ka figure no a yesi Ghana ni pa enya bi omu nka say foreigner ebi a ono nso be wura mu a ye test no a na oye positive enso ye say
but don't say sanity because obi kura etimiwu a wo Ghana ha last ba ko eso owu ai ahojo ha
yes no we Lebanese
we outside onye Ghana but ye naka Ghana de ho say omomowu e wo Ghana because of say a pandemic the whole world obia enkrofo
okay
what you say nti utimi ntitem nga say Ghana for America say na ewu we ya wa yare no wo ku no okronum nti kronum no omomowu okronum no na amode ebetudwa se o ka se wo titete mu a wa ankasa no
wo
adwuma ya ankasa
enti ni sira o message na wa send ya mame no I think say enti wo asanda kusudia ba no we nya ho anu ye so mame mra ne na wo kana so hwe yen flight ahodo a eye adwuma wo man no mu no me gide se enye foreigners no flight and ye expect se beba ne mum se meti ne wo kan ye ya na se ebi obi move from Accra to ebi a Kumasi
Takrade and say Tamale
in between and omo cars and one some dia megitum but as to say ebia ye be ma kwan am obi free ni man so
eno de ya close no
good
but ye can internal flights
eno de me no tie itisi ye say bibia si na wo se wo konkran ya megide se wo betimi akonkran se wo nkura ka akura na obefro VIP na ye ka social distancing so ho asem
okay
nti say truck kra na obefra anasa sprinter anasa VIP bi na obefa they were social distancing ni bi o VIP no and at the same time no so obekwa akofro VIP no a obe protect wo obe show nose mask ebi a obe use hand sanitizer answer na obefro kra na ebi a obe wash sa hu ne die ni nyina e wo ho eno nti na ma ene yama transport so eye adwuma se transport eye adwuma na so no ka se ebi a flight enso enye adwuma me I don't see anything wrong with it but nemu omo hwe say omo put measures papa emma obi nkonkofo flight no na ochina enkonkofo asem emfa ma minim say answer na ebe ma flight no kwan kra say emfa passengers e movie around no e be make sure say be a flight no kra no yesiesie ni yie ya ye ho adwuma kama say be ya ebi kra ya re ni bi ana say virus ni bi wo mu a sabre no ebia ebi nimu bi ndi say penifo aye
say no more demand na one start
here yes say for etu kwan eye on business a some ye won for am so ye businessmen a omo each day a omo ko omo tu kwan ko ba no omo ye on businesses a omo be hia flight ebia na operate ma kwa ye ni meeting bi ana say na ade bi a ebetimi aboa no nti no say o de flight e ko nti say ma flight for no kwan a misusu say enye bone kwa so nemu omo fa proper measures enwu akom se ne be ya yen san ema mete say obi akwakonya yare ni bi nemu okofa free flight e ba sa de a ene nanka e be hard you
the same question I'm to inform e ne kwa so say biema flight e duma internally ye hwa flight de omo tutu kwan bogus na fro so na bogus for you be fro flight different kind abakumasi akotamale nye yare na na sande ekoba.
I say the issue is you lifty partial lockdown I can say before this partial lockdown by see there is no movement, no intercity movement, meaning say untimi free crime e makumasi untimi free kumasi enko tichimai untimi free tamale e makumasi ni na kika ho e lifty band no measures a e wo ho no sa social distancing ni one gathering ni one no e da so ye djuma currently no buses e operate from Accra e bakumasi mobile observe social distancing ni na kika ho measures in place no e ye djuma sa no we feel say domestic airline there airline a intercity movement
okay
emayen nti who say problem ni nyina ni say ye be observe some measures a ye dey atu akwam no say ye be di ehuni ne ne kika ho ne ebia se plane no domestic airline no efa 150 passengers this time esubeti so esubeti ebia to ebia be 100 and now 120 per the sitting arrangements obe observe social distancing na kika ho no esubeti se uko VIP currently se VIP efa passengers of 2034 na sifo na eso ayeden ate so enti eno no
still on flight no so esubeti
tisa so enti untimi fa full load ni yeden even cars aye juma trotro ni na sifo ni taxi ni pragia no ma aye juma nyina no you see pragia untimi fa 3 passengers enye possible so ena trotro untimi fa the number full load na find that no this time around na enye juma
okay
enti yetimi observe sa petty things here em say it's in order we share the city of Accra every day over 1 million people and area and crime ekodi jumedie SAP so enti say akase domestic airline enye juma ebeboa
okay
obi o ha opese okoba within the shortest possible time obetimi afa flight send husun dia obetimi afa flight akoye ni jumedie asaba em say it's in order.
All right, what you go so I will share Kumawood TV where your COVID-19 update and ya the live Kumasi Ahojo Atenga Junction within the Samuel Kobna Dako aka Sam Dakos Menami Jumade Chame number na that screen is no bacho memfre nemum enkoma yedin wahano opese o kire wadwene a obetimi e de wadwen kire afaso na yakenkan e de amount 0543 596070 0543 596070 abepamunu nso no ebebie ahomatrofo natum na enkoma yedi won so wo de wadwen kire e de aba ye bisa se na ye kire how to use nose masks hand sanitizers and wash your hands near the yemma ye students no kwan nanka amon some practice the same thing nanka amon ko school ana say for students ne dey yenya wo mo akopim say 1 year and na COVID-19 ebe kwa ye jai wo mo amomo ko school. I'm starting first.
Some question is a very important question. I will say you observe. I say currently Minister of Education, name say as a necrano or a program B.
Yeah.
Nema omudibe gu akwam say be adisua NK3. So our message ediaba. Currently a case in a school a class of 40 students. Yeah, be social distancing. Why na bet na fie? Why na be back class?
So you bet man run shift. So na first na ye no. Ye wo hours na ye de esua de. Entini ya mo ye nipa 40.
Yeah.
Na ya chem ebia 15 or 10. Now we eba from 8 and now from 8 to 10. 10 or 11 to 1. Time say to time say I think say enobetimi aboa
ebeboa
omo school.
Yeah, ebeboa but meaning say if you by all means Minister of Education be consider those factors ni na say be ya omo so di nhihye pa ebeboa ma students no omo adisua na NK3
Lofty encourage fie measures saba say ye mo ko school e be affect you
some and kwa no mo ti fie no me de me hunu say eye pa some puni mi ntia
omo ko so antre fie
yes omo ko so antre fie ne mum say aban no won hyehyɛ bi a opeso ye ewo saa school ho nsensem a nka meka say omo won so retro omo wo exams etro ne de sa aban no aye hyehyɛ bi say bi a
school bi akwa e de ne about exams
good eno na me ka say eba exams no asam me no ti wo sisi ayi ye nim say edu exams time a baby ani papa akofo 40 no enya bro social distancing no examination time no omo examination
ti omo ntem kama
nti say exams no ani ye be mo kwan ama omatro dia that one I agreed some yen hwe yen kola yi ye ka student yi enye JHS any SHS for nko a obi okọ university so ye student
of course yeah
because ono so koji nim die nti say ye ka na sa dia ene na ye ka say ye ma university for kwan ye ma university for kwan so a untumi nka say SHS ana JHS for nso so entena fie because obi a student obi a person okosua de na onya nimde no nso de bo ne bra enti se ye mma bi kwan enwo mo nkode a ene ye mo mo ntena fie na sam se ye da bia meka no ebre we nya bra ne ope ena obenya se ne epe ne ebenya sam kade wo ye butu abobi se yasi wo de hye wa no pa uhunu wa bra obre enka nya ope no enka nya obi a pe no so obese dem no wakwa poto gari eni asichire ebi kura wanya nkate kura mfa amoso pa no kura wanya bi na wodi ne ro anya ne peno no senka ebi anko onya kwan sa be ne kwa bonten a enko di aduane a wo pe ebre mu odin ba se ya enema bi wo ho a untumi enchechire ho enfoso ho nye sam me no mienu ye te wo sesi yi ye ye mpanifo ye nim kwan e be fa so ahwe ho yie dan se wo be ma akola se onko school akra yi wo ko school a obefo ka me pacho ne na fufu hia agudi omu di ne wire kra be fi no ho nose mask ko be ya to ba bia ko bo ne bo social distancing ya ye ka ho asem no enya adwuma ya mfa no say university sin na be ya adwuma ye mofra no nsoso a omuko JHS nursery ene ne ekeka ho no so kwa be so ana sa me no mienu ye be ja adwuma ye ne akotena nkran no chen wo school mu ana da bi e basa emwa ye be sro mampani say sabre ye bra mu ode a won kasa nim say bra ye mu ode enti education minister ene mpanifo a won ye sa hwehwe enhye no ye be sre o mu sabre so mo ma ye ti ase say yare no eni ho bie mu dia sam eno de ye be ti ase ma mo fra na kosu na mo yare wo wa numbers ni guso a increase a ye fo tro ko ba
enti office obi a or university or mfanse tertiary institutions
yeah
omuntimi sebi omunni adwene se omo so betimi a distance omo se ne yeye omo ofie the same thing no mo ye bajot mas enti se ebi a crutch no na entimi mo mo nkwa yetimi ma omo a sebi omo ne afi kakra no enko suya omo ade
sam se hwene se so dia ene na yeso ye beka se asofo ene nsori ensusu nkwa asori because ye mature enough ye mpanifo nti ye ko wura so dem won so a ana ye ko mosque wa and won so ye betimi aye social distancing wo
de ma menfo asori de ne so ne se asori no metia bonsam so mevri makosoro ni sa asa ne mpaibo ere baba eno no ehia ewo energy bi a ode ye de odi kom ene sebe tons awo kano saliva na through onum a basa no eno no ede obetima ka se emwa ba meti ho teacher ni ewo far away o tre board so na meta na mesua na meso metwere na masoro mo bisa question we menye sure say betima spread COVID-19
unim say your students ni bi so mo ye foreigners
of course
omu fira go chire ba be sua de sabre obi ko vacation and now say because of lockdown who sense mu tebi kra onu kwa do nya kwan tu kwan and now before class na lockdown e be ba no na e bi o vacation onu so atu kwan nti sani
on pe ho ba be no sua de o
sam e ho no pay the fees e ho no pay admission
ona be say
what in America nti say ye nya bia ho nya ba mu pani a ene na ye ma obi a kwan say onu so
say at least on ye no a bit by bit, one by one. Yama sebe idi kai ma omo ton aduane akwa ko ton aduane omo ton aduane no sebe honorable omo bre pa nsa na mutimi ama omo atete omo ntem what you say the same thing and I meso me stress lentina a school for ye mo betra fi
sama no de enya adwuma
ya hwe ya ye be bie school
na nkrofa bombon
anyanyem
the issue is everyone say na yesua de online.
Yeah.
You're online. You are
marketing website. There's a website, learning website.
Eco school. Or fear. Or yet, you kind of say exercise. so omo de questions bar exams ni ade nyina omo solve questions e wo fie through internet and then internet ada roma and then nim dey bebre aba and then wo hwa
university no internet
Sam, but who is student there?
Depending on the internet.
Sam,
that's the argument.
What me call university there?
No. I can say what me call university there.
Sam, what me call university? Now nim call am before so bet me atua there on internet ah. And that's what be bon. Wo be nyim. Say na ye ka mo asem. Eti internet learning no guso a e koso. Ye ka say ye na sa de a.
Ye target university for nko but fine. University for esua there on internet.
University for no Sam omunya mature nchen asore for.
The issue is JHS ni hwan num. Your areas be up till now. Network cry so network even though you create website no quite all right for you to access and study. But your areas be they don't know, they don't have those things. They don't have those things. Every crowd need light, said they was okay. Ni na yen hihye I say omutenasi no mu hwe hihye pie bit me aboa. Say even young fan say from crèche to even primary level and e be ma o matine fia because those people no omo mind no
sir
e wo from
parents na teacher ni
and our parents now crab it me atro madi ofi
and anytime
me fees lockdown in by me and me say me madi ofi my employee the services of the oh some more textbooks so I guide them through the textbooks.
Okay.
So Emma omusua there and this if you say from crèche to primary 6 so and I say you be call JHS not from SS SHS Eco University no whatever tertiary institution no your mom call back to school
Sam your my one so den one go university wey you
aswode in what sense because tie
aswode in the sense that university ni no a woman no kwan say onko school na onko sua de no wo your oba na ne boyfriend bi se wa fe no na ofre no wo ne nchen ya Sam obentum ni ka fi school wa ko ne boyfriend wa ko te yare no e dia ba be ye obi a sabi ono so nya na bi Sam
but the same thing akura wa nya no onye otifie kura a obeye
good Sam but the fie ne de ne na ene na ja e wo ho a omo hwe ne so a e bi kura make say once a ya man kwan say omra fie no e very difficult say obe free ne maame ene obanten akwa abonten akoye nyema a ensem fata but the moment I be mam mofra no kwan say omo nko school no Sam maybe ni mobi a o fi a o chen so na bofo but onya koduru campus no wo school mu a Sam school is in na yakobida enti ye kan ye nim ne ye kan umma kura bi kwan se won ko school sesi a Sam e bi kura make say kura na nye school wo kura na o pakotena and na wo hwa ye wo dormitories ahodo universities ni so e wo ba bi a obi akwa okobo na dwa ye ka say obi akwa ko fa ya ready bi wo dia back campus wo make say e bi a wo for staircase unim na don sa ko so adiem e bi na obi kwa abonten
the same education
na ni bi ediaba na ochena bi no na ekwa for ha ediaba enti ebere we ya
the same education ye dey amount sabi wo wasua ama utimi yusu yusu nose mask wo so sabi staircase mu a uduru ba bia wo yi o sanitizer the people onsa no the same education no betima ko bia sabi wo ko university ana say SHS ni amana tiase ene sabi me man ketwa no kra no omu pie kra no wafa
sanitizer
any nose mask not what they are say education ko a me ye sure say sabi yen kora no because one omu tena fie ni nyina no academic calendar no esesa
no kwasem
esesa
Sam esesa na esesa no so say ya nhwe nyama bi yie na se ne nyina ye prevent say yare emma no se ya ntu ye bo ase ya nhwe nyama bi ya bigidi ye say Sam ye tie me metia mintimi nka se minimunyansa chen oman panimfo no
but o chire wadwene
me chire madwene enti mintimi nka se omum yae na yenko school some say ye ka say ye ne saade a some nkrofo fie no enya me fe enya me de say akola a ye tua ne school fees a ese say nka okọ school no okọ sua de na onya nimde no so de bo ne bra wote fie enya me de sa but ye ni bra eye bra ye be ka say bre we de ye we normal times ye ni normal times
ye de normal times ni normal times na fe
you are right
obi akwanye
no correct but some
na ontimi anko school ni bio
some ye nya otwen a me media me gibi ye say ebeboa ebrepa ne ba
okay
na do dan kwa kufu ado ne mpani fo ba abonten abeka kire Ghana for say afa die ye betimi akọ school ne mo measures a ye die gu akwamu ni me no ka say kurasam who knows e bi ene headmasters ene school for mpani fu a omodida da school so ahodo ano no e bi kura ye ne omodi ahia ye ne omodi nkomo e fa ahonidie ne kwan ye befa so a e be man kwana ba school me no mi ye tie e bi a ye nyanya sa information no enti an hwem panifo e break a crisis no so social gathering one 2 weeks pe enti an hwem ma 2 weeks time no enso I think say after 2 weeks no enyema besesa
okay I think say after 2 weeks enyema besesa DJ Lofty and I want to tell them we your COVID-19 ho update and ya dey ema live e wo Kumawood TV pacho enkomo aye dey say wo ho adwenkyira obetimi dey afa 0543 0543-596070 0543-596070 at the screen so yenjai ema yemanu nko school omun sua sene use sanitizer nose mask any other day no mo fan kwotena school dem mun sua de ana say yenjai wo mo ema se 1 year kra na etwemu ansa na yemai akọ school eno so basa
agotre me picture bi by I think that China also man grana plan am mo go school na wo hwe sitting arrangement na some side equipment in Ghana ye ni bi
ye betima ye
omo ye glass to say a motorbike ultra motor so a
yeah they cover
yeah
I've seen it
omo ye bibi sa na ehyenkola no na obi atin seat so and school so aye wo mu akonwa ba akonkla ba miensa na te ho say what you say enti say empanimfo ayo madwen say ye ma kwano ka mo maku school
so we there
any also yes ani money
sika dey aye donation betima aye sa dey simple
some any say basa hospital sa
betima aye
simple obesi no ntimi nsi
okay
say na wo kan say e betima ala ni shift
yes
say in a class of 40 students 20 emra napa 12 no mapon na
no table back bi ani aye wheel back asi ho
at least
what you say
eti betimi afọ
we mo sori ko ya na ye de sanitizer be pepa ho nyina kama afọ from sabet
very costly
but we have to think
say betimi afọ ba de amankula na obi enya bidia eni na wo school ya to odi abon
I've been seeing it say some of the friends say school owners I started calling for school fees more no modeka onso bi wa no odeka ansana ye lo ai we buy into your master frefre say
headmasters na
school administration no
proprietors no
I started frefre
danka
school fees is it relevant
na say enya normal we are not in normal times so
na so the council say
we didn't cry we say we
headmaster now o basically I got to get into your sabe why na ba kan so metu
enya normal
na so what the card that they are say we
private schools say private schools
na make
be private schools na yes
what the can more on
na adan e kan so ontua
onya butere
o so ontua
say school
or Monday we say e can say now
headmaster from the company
onya butere
e come dey no be
okay when you go our fair Kumawood TV me pacho enche be bia homatrofo natum na wonso wa kire wadwene ene yesanso bisa say attachia de issue bi abato ekwan mu say some tenants ni bi fa COVID-19 ho etu amanfo otene dem na anu so de ka ontu anazema ntu ne nyina ka ho bi because se wo se obi edeka school fees na we are not in the normal times enti no man ntua dia ene me so me dan aso me ntumi oje ntire ne say of course say me dan cash we aso aso within the month ya ye wo mu ye o ye fiewura ese wutu ana se wo sign de etua bi ka ho na so ka che me say baby a ye dru no ye ni normal times into o de enkamano wo kakra ne kwan so an
sam ye wo mu ni say efewura bia wo ho asede say wo tane dem na se wo tam so a ese say ida so betua bia so ana se obetu afiri dem but sabre ya e wo mu die so ye fiewura na obi ti wo dem na edan tam aso na se o ka se sabre we ebi kura na adwuma sen ebi kura me ka se sika bi a na nko de betua ma wo no ebi kura kwakodi ba bi a sabre o hwehwa a ne nsantumi nka na se wo se fiewura wo ye timodemfo adure se uni abadaye na se wo betu nipa na fiu dem a ene na se wa
DJ Lot
na se wo sa fiewura wo ye
ye wia biefo ni
sam wo sa fiewura wo ye nipa bonefo uni abadaye wo ye oba na se wo kura no sebi ensunu ni wuyam wo ye bemma so
orent time aso se wutu
sam
time aso se
ese wutu enei ebi kura make say time obenya kura se odi pia kwa kopetan e wo ba bi no kura na ebi kura na eye problem kakra sam
wouldn't say within the time ya mo be 4 days say onyi ni nema
sam hwe se wo obi da time so a nipa no wo ho kwan se obema na be say 3 months
3 months
yes oko
ti obi wa 3 months no odi ka the amount dada o na lockdown ya abe front time na ze ga otu no what
sam baby a odi ade kika fa ide but odi fa wo kamena bibia sam sam brewe na wo ye fiewura me kan suye na wo ye fiewura na obi ti wo dem na time aso na se wan kasa wo to otumu se time wa ye wo mu nipa no ka onte saa ebi kura no ne tena fie no time so ya na wotua ma
na de watena fie afa na time aso ontua bi da
sam ontua bi da wo ye fiewura nya kuma pa ma yen kasa wo so ye nipa mo bi me kasa fiewura wo de ni ti mo den wo ya saa wan nye nyame so adwuma sana me ka no wan nye nyame so adwuma sam ye wo fiewura bebira wo dan time so kwa na wo ni sika obetia mo atena fie ho obi di ne dan ya mo obi a wonje ne kapre wonje ne hwe nipa ti den se nipa no so e wo ti ase ebre we ye bre mu oden enti wo ye fiewura me ka kira me sra wo di matem wo ye fiewura pa na wo anya abadaye na wo tu obi sisare nyama ma na se onkoda abonten a onkoda hen ene fa no onkoda
okay mame emra honorable so me fie me tim me fan se me simi dan edan no eno na me so me de ye top money ede ma me so memba eno na me de ye mbibia watrem wotama so yesi ye ma obi a 3 months nkan 3 months me de ma wo na ebe so na ayi ba yare ba eno yesi ye ni normal times nti tua o simintu
Sam ohia per tenancy law sa 3 months now o kan kra no by law is payable eno no kra no webetua se utimi dem na mi ba bitu na mama 3 months e fa kope baby
eno so kra betua
ka kra obetua enye free but ohia o my penny e fa nsuo ni light hu kan yewo landlords bi wo ho a omuda so gi nsuo sika efi omu tenants ho
but obi won so
bi wo ho a light bill and water bill ba if you run na echiche de opibia wono no kra no
ontua bi
na wa chiche kan na ama ni tenants me manya complain e wo me area onimo a omu fee landlord ɛda so gye ɔmo nsu sika abra bail kraa ne ɛdɛ
ebia na
ɛmai
deɛ nana ɛka yɛ no ɛreflect yɛ
ɛsɛ ɔsi May
June
April May June so nti April kraa no sɛ afei na April ɛkɔ ewie so but your landlords ni bi wɔ hɔ a ɔmo yɛ very difficult so but nonetheless me ti sɛ na Minister for Water Resource Works and Housing no can be say through a friend saying sa agency ya o mo hwɛ ɛdan ho asɛm yɛ frɛ o mo saying social welfare no sa rent control
rent control
through rent control so mo nya sa complaints bisa na they will intervene and solve it. Say, Udi Edan who can say Abia or landlord day 2 grand, they will come in and come and foot the bill for that particular tenant within that 3 months period.
Until they say so be a year tuna on Fanco rent control. Okay.
What they call rent control, they will forward it to the ministry. Now at least they will take their data from that ministry. But do our mania problem with their landlords at the cost of this COVID-19. So now how much normal?
It's COVID-19 the year 2 there for how you now call.
And I say it's in order say even landlord be say oh no tenant any problem. I shall say no baby rent control.
Yeah.
So it is a rent control. It may identify those people now. They will forward the data to the Works and Housing Ministry.
No, be how no. Anya fin or the coffee for rent control, no the coffee for baby ama or delay with Amazon. Family come family come here too.
Enya abutra se. Kewura o yes awe ni parabone ko.
Landlord for ni nya abutre.
And also no didi ho obede nya abutre. Enti obi aye tun na dan so ayasa na magu abonti se on sanko
obi aye tun there say who is crying. It's a landlord that
Sam o ye landlord na o yes in fact na yes one nya me so adwuma. Na se wa kra bada ye enu.
No, and Okasa me so no nya.
Sam I know there was one me ya.
There be
time we
it is also a to be fie o use every facility be o fie ho na o di aniamo ho sem say ye ni normal times intino
Sam we enye aniamo ho asem Sam every way wo ho me gide say senye lockdown ya Sam me gide say obi anu ho a o to obi fie na the time waso na ye so ntu a obetwema nso kra. And come on, come on.
That's a lockdown is still a bit edge. Lockdown is a say mom told you no man yasikapa. And you are there why am I crying every day be a koduma. Ah we aduma me chak. Fine. I heard you not say. One who say
obi nto aduane. Obi ho a hand to mouth. Na okonya bia na odi bia to. Sam ene ye tiga na hai. Amo kire wa hapa o. Obi ho a dis okwa aduma. Na ebia okososo niam mu kakra. Okon anumra ya man 20 cities. 20 cities no way you 10 cities get it. Now or the 10 cities are too baby for the rent. Say the pan low down you buy on to me nkwa adwuma when you start 20 cities no. Now when you be at the fair rent.
Oh, pass say BM or bia kona adwuma.
Good. Enti be here this Sam na na dan kwa kufu do ba monte be ka say Ghana fo. Mon kwa kwa adwuma I this
2 weeks.
2 weeks ni so be adwuma kra boso me nso me ntua ne ka. Sam
enti nka on twema boso me nso.
Sam obi ho ye boso me adwuma. Eno mo didi. And on the BBR. It is 2 weeks, Yabiano. Some call it Manquay 2 weeks in some. Why and why you have 2 weeks, sir? Yet you are a cassette to Chica, Napa cook your rent. Obiani more by sir. Okay, money bread.
Okay, you have a quick commercial break near bar. You may be a phone in a tomb. Say, what you be fee, not say, sad time here, say, and yet normal times, rent us soon. Na as I said utia na onni sika empanyifo me ate se obekọ rent control se tenant na se fiera no empene na se wase obetu na se wuntu we a questioner me ba ebebusa me kwa basesia.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedie. Kumawood TV aba amansane ye.
Bota yesi eni sunu se ba de be fa yen saso aboa nkofo do a wo haw wo ni padua mu nka nyarewa diseases. Ye hwe ya rebit se arthritis enompe mu ni enkase mu sasabro isisi ya de obi adensem abu. I was a shady POP. There was a dislocation of any of the bones or joints. What the back car, wow, I'm a matter. Make us say, what hypertension, and now when you're diabetes, and now when you're kidney problem, or nice at but modern brand not only ever 20 years. Now you will be some quite a year, Juma, and yet no one so you will be fidea or one. They check the Pedriano, your laboratory sector, and they share the Pedrian, the Moja Muya, dear air cost and Sunday a true account. Sebi, Aposia will fear your common school, Aposia, dear, if you move with tech, if you move with China, and I can't one boma. Ye was it, the Patu do be of a buy and channel, a radical fire and sasso, Eddie Apoto, Amawon. Eti, Unia will hear me. Open baby aqua, open a Sabia be aqua. To Tuanamobra Quality Medicals Limited, you will Kumasi Airport runabout. Kwana Kobu say I'm Tuakwane Sono. With my friend telephone numbers now, more affiliation. Nasa and Wabi and now Hobby and Choswa. To Tuamikabra, never ever fire so up wow, I'm a honto upper, any of the for any number for you now. So,
Quality Medical Limited, a physiotherapy units, and I, Uba Yasuya, Yawayan Briasa, a high massage unit, your machine, I did me a beer, the children penny castle, and I say, now person the joint area, and outside and China, your UV light machine. I did that truly panels what say Empono, Ebia not beating the blood vessels, no, the PSC in one quarter, a warm internal, Emma, a Mujano, it's me, it did from Sunny. Sɛ woba yasua ye wo yade hudu bibira ayesa enye enro enwa na de ma wo yesa wo machines a ye de edi edipedua no huduma sɛ de be ya akwali nyina be nya na hoɔden ye ka ya le bi ti sɛ eye male and female infertility a woba Quality Medical Limited sɛ oba o pa wo na wo ho aye de ama no ana sɛ be ma o pe awo na ne mpamwa no ahoɔden nim a obetimi ama oba ani sɛ ɔmfa n'ani nkyerɛ ha ɛno so da nkyɛn a ɛyɛ stroke obi a wanya stroke sɛ ne fa ɛna adodwo anaasɛ nipadua mu no nyinaa ɛna adodwo a ɔmfa n'ani nkyerɛ ha yare bi te sɛ kidney problem ɛyɛ typhoid dwonso mu yareɛ ɛne nam mu yareɛ syphilis gonorrhea deɛ ɛno deɛ na yɛ sɛ wode duru ha yɛbɛte ne kyɛ yɛba ɛmaa no nso ɛfɛ ho a obi a ɔwɔ fibroid sɛ yɛsɛ na wodeɛ no yare bi abɛdam ɔmfa n'ani nkyerɛ ha mmarima no obi a ɔwɔ ɛyɛ n'apɔ so taa yɛ ne ya anaasɛ obi a ɔntumi na ebia depression ebia stress ɛna amasa yɛ we nyinaa
okay asai amamo akwa babio e de aba Kumawood TV COVID-19 ɛho update ɛna yɛ de bra mo live ɛwɔ Kumawood TV ɛnkyɛ bebi ahomatrofo na tum na won so wo de wadwenkyerɛ e de aba yɛmfa messages we free on afa yɛnto so we was say please good evening I suggest that people must put the nose masks right on their nose and mouth and not on their chin to prevent the virus. Thank you, Her Excellency from Brekum, and also Adenede Abesine. We will say, hi, Brasame. My question is, are they going to be increasing the flight fare or minimize? Okay, because we have heard that the transport drivers are increasing their lorry fares. Okay, watching you live from Italy. Thank you for the good work. Okay, and also Nadia and yamfa number no and to screen so na also obetimi afre na also do adwentre aba number no 0200 603 602 0200 603 602 make us say obetimi at the also contribution at the aba we say so I say don't support that. I don't support that. Government should allow the student to go to school. They should stay home. If 2 years cry, they should stay home. Please, we love our children. I want to tell you, as we should allow our children to go to school at this abnormal times. Have you thought of it that the students are from different towns? Okay, Mamimfa of Refowena Yantua Jumadins. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, baby, of Remy Free.
Mebacho, your friend, I could see up here. Make us a free theatre or Bono region.
Okay, I could see, there now can was them.
Mebacho, they make certain mechanism Kakran say. This year, the mayor cannot come again there. And say, your students echo school.
Okay.
Every day, you come a teacher. It's not going to for you. You know. By when you want them,
yeah,
and I can want them this year. And at the tell schools are the mode of spreading, no. I beg with your
okay.
You can go up track. Nanka, then I from nothing to measures in place. Nanka, time.
Okay, yeah, that's an agent. Yamfa of Refor Audio. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, baby, of Remy Free.
But I'm calling from Sampa.
Sampa, your name, please.
Yeah. But I'm making a silver phone. In fact, I'm having too bad. If you say, oh, maybe you not dying if you see. That will show up when you do this. But I'm looking at Emma tenant. I'm looking at the Omaha, how my dancing at the last just at the moment. And now they are talking in the school for them. As I must make that be every school. Now, medical school and not this. Which almost tells you to do that. There's much a young baby, and they are just with the phone at the moment.
Okay, Mr. Mudasipa, young President of Refor. My question goes to the host. You want to tell us we should allow our children to go to school at this normal times? Hello?
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Evening, sir.
Would you anybody offer me free?
Yeah, sending out the Caterpillar Sofo.
Yeah, from
Sofo line.
Sofo line. Okay, yeah, Manukwe.
The person is a renting issue.
Okay.
Oh, it's a million casano, and we have to do. But Mama, you see, for instance, reality. So, if you see, some are locked down in my area, when you say they are habitual rent. In other way, you need to stay towards it. Because if you are now, or the place of the Kakra, people are locked down neighborhood. But if it's a lockdown about it, they will take it as an advantage. Then the name but if you are willing to say, what if you know, they have a bit of a
Sanity.
What they are here. If you have the fear of a cafe, make an fear of a cafe, yeah.
No, the way I have a family.
This time now, lockdown now, but now, we are going to take advantage of it. We may hang for 4 days. What they are here. But you say, I finish one, you did try Danka. You try Danka, Bosome. And you are free.
Yeah.
You try Danka. If that is now, like I say, we're going to say, COVID-19 about, into the next dimension, you try.
Okay.
Okay.
From
general the thing that is doing the
okay. Until before so 4 days on your hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Udini baby of me free.
But me kasa fi shebro me wa friend
Auntie Philo manenko
but school some na me kakaka.
Okay.
Mama kind the textile school so no. Well now why am say for where ma to bi nko ha wa na aze.
Yeah.
That I say. Nti me susu there, nti say no phone whether na wa school.
Okay.
Na wa friend dem wa friend kaka ba for JHS for no. It was so what because one of friend when you answer. But Texas Father University na zeno. It was the one na when you to when you answer where mature.
Yes.
Or the back. Obi kwa na lampo na so ti wa high no hotel or team. It is a mess ma zeno ko what of mama mo fa na school for them paying for na here. Obi ho kwa one fa na year. Ena da menya me akodo na na cha e wa ma e na additional look.
Yeah. Okay.
Additional look e. Into your thread one share and pay you for what we farm and walk to school. Now watch them of Franka Kamba no. Robert Smith because what I did in that is a varsity for all I am back or do my when you also year or the way.
Okay.
It's a mostly contribution Kakayan.
Yeah, that's it. And a contribution out there about hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. What you didn't be offering me?
Yo, me didn't be Vincent Kofi in Prefixing.
Vincent
Kofi in Prefixing.
Okay, Mananko.
Yo, that's the anything. I think one would do cost. And would be a friend for woman. Said you. A young collar bedroom, Rana, or moon, and I need a yes, chance to get students no be akọ kani no to medium if you want in collab ni se me ma ti omo plagro aye di tatare sai yes so ye so ni ti ati ni na botere kakra
okay all right yeah that's a part o contribution yen hwe ne yen fa frefo odi ho hello good evening
Everyone.
Ajana dum na also
Adumara me
Udin and the free.
Medi odan ni me kaza free atoda.
Okay, o se mananko
Na ba to obi ni dem. Oh, na. Leman ko di dan se e de ko tem. O ko di e de mani ni wa metem. Na ga ni behave tin tane na no. Kana ti on tree ya o ti de ko. We go to for dan mafia. Omo man bo so fe tiaka. Na ya man bo so mi so fe
okay.
And kwa me ko ko ta no ka ta gele ti pe. Ni tia e dan ka no pe e we na manan ka an. Ti oba ni tia na be manu di tia. Ana no tia ni no ko ko re na. Ano dibande some me den me so.
Na o rent control advice be no dem out.
Okay.
O rent control advice be no dem out.
Omo man say o tia afini dan o wa ma say e go ntena.
Okay, and so also what you are sign fan the call.
Na o man be me ri so very dan no go. And na me ko ni dan e ni kana go tu a. O ga de be me no ni ko tena hu say o ti tia. E dan ni kana san ko e dan ma no. It is a man then.
Sign fan the call rent control hobby you. Na sa ko ka de asi ni kire wo why? Okay, also obetimi afre na onso we was say okay.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening, boss.
Udin baby offer me free.
Mr. Secretary Swami, maybe I will get Abuaji.
James Abuaji Swami. Okay, James
Manenko. Swami Isaac.
James Manenko. Isaac Manenko.
Hello, Mama Wajo.
Yeah, Joso.
MJ, ya mo kano, school for any day. Ya mo mu tiye MJ ya na abano. In your school now. Kuna be kono. So, ya really see apa, just a boy who buy it ya really. So the just be young school. And na me ya no so o ka change for the e change do wa. When or hard you a trainer a trainer and you do one. So,
okay.
If you need to be and down, if you push me, so I mean, if you feel from it, a good become 1 year cry. Don't you like
1 year?
1 year, 1 year. You be to be sure with your
wow.
So, if you say this is a kind of now, but you want to abide again and so. And to a master man, I don't get to see a master man. So, we go hard again, we get to them hard again.
Okay. Yeah, that's a partner. Wagent, Yemfa, the Odi Horse, Nafi, Yanquin. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
What's your name? Maybe I'll frame it free. Nana Nkoko. Okay, Nana Menti.
The American, I want to say, I want no idea. Oh, Mammy do a different as a university for more than 24 months in the other. Yariano, you need to penny in Mapala.
Yeah.
And I asked a local school move on the side. The many Bava, you would be obeyed them.
Okay.
Such as in this case, you know, to be anti coping with fair. You don't say a number for because the best is American and Omo Yala take from 2 billion penny for.
Yes.
And yet, Palana Yala to home.
Yeah, I'm penny for.
Omani fee.
Yeah.
But as so Yala to home. Into the end of the anti fee. Oh, the gun of Wankatano, they do be taking them not so easy, so lightly. What I say, developed countries make a mama the match next year. Naya Kofra and then you're Kwakusia. Because a honor Catacano, which means I don't know. If you empty fee, a copy of say, a band best of issue maybe.
Yes, so yeah, that's a pa and then what you try the Abba. Hello?
Hello?
Good evening.
Fine evening.
We didn't be free.
But you make a reference at that now.
Udin.
We did the
Mutala, okay, Manenko.
But you say that, I don't say that much, you could follow the Mukwa. You're correct about quite solid. You are calling a bit about one who buy a cook spoon, Yarian and Canoa, Yapping you follow.
Musumba,
this is our boy who buy a quite solid, she is doing it.
And my mom go school.
I am mom school now at the end.
Okay.
Then you know, international chuma near who say a chum no be free.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. And it what you hello. Hello. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Good evening, baby. Offer me free.
Hello.
But my TV volume no come from why?
Yo, can you please hear?
Good evening.
Patrick.
Okay, Manenko.
School attendant campus time Kasa.
Okay, Kasa.
Na kama maji jenka mwali kansenka. Sani nkolani tifi and teachers no to me school mo kwa na makaje subject into say ebia amaya say ebia homework bi. E so mo dia tifi na kama babaye.
Abesua, okay. Also there.
Na say kama tifi na kama babaye. Kama kwa na makaje na kama dia tifi. E say kama mo tifi e school mo. Kama smart kasa no.
All right, Mate. Mamemfa 2 callers na fe yemfa phone no emma na wie ye obetimi afre sisia na afi yetimi de phone segment no abana we or say will not be last thing to do. Okay. Asia, Nafi, Yemfa, Medina Konewe. I say, in fact, it could even be extended to a maximum of 9 months before final objection through COVID. Okay. I was one there, I don't know. Mamma come a beja for her now for a month for my last submission, bra, near far and Nedjumadiano and Conewe. Mamma started in free DJ Lofty, na on fa the final submission and from DJ Lofty. We are better than best say, also a better say, some better na you say I na also so bad now, so better arguing. We make them argue. Sanity. Say, yeah, we are from now if you are. Now, if you say, yeah, Mikasa, and we are oh, but what can I say? Will be but tenant for the part. Obi wa anya say 4 days here. Once and the man cause I etra ho. Na otifi ho abra onjo kapre. So me ka ka sa. And you feel well for na ha bi. Okay. But feel well ha bi asa be wutu obi dey. Time we need normal time to best say. Many partner break. And no be can say a dine high. Your hand are fair 2 years 2 years. Et who was sick under the that. And you lockdown we na baka say. Banga will save no grano. Because this is a savings and loans. Give you grana. Bank no nyanya more waiting. Bank BIB. And I say go proud. Then you have to say. Okay, that's the fact because I will tell for the so much room this year. Okay. Okay. No mask and hand sanitizer. Okay. Ghana for use and prevent from diarrhea. Virus. Honorable, last submission.
Yeah, aqua enko so ho ha na se esubeti kra na ese recovery no yenya recovery ni more se be ya in the next 2 weeks now o man peni be sa ba bigina kasa no na ese ebia na yare no kra no na kokra ma ye ho atoe na afi de epese ye bia no be bitimi aye enti me da ahwefo asisa be
okay da obibia se Mr. Muslim Salifo, environmental subcommittee, Kemi, ono ena ebebo ayema ene etwetwe enkomo kakra no ena DJ Lofty enso ewo Kumasi 104.1 eho ena ono so edine dwuma wokọ engine room ho a yewo Loretta ona owo MCR ena yewo Augustina VTR Kobe Frank enso ena otinchim yen cameras no ede ema yen Ben yen PRO ena fe so AJ Hipsy ono nso ena o produce ede ema yen Ochinozo Moses Aqua ono ena ye production manager medin ede Samuel Kwabena Dako nyankopon ye adoma makase a free Monday aircon ye de dwumadie sonko kra na ye de eba political show ena ye de befra COVID-19 no na ye de ama sa time ya anti challenge so free Monday ekon sa ena ye de ebrewo edin eda so no ya to din say sinipi enti nyankopon ya aduma Friday ye be lunch no ha kama eno achi no na fe ye de ebrem live nyankopon ya aduma o chiranso ye be san ehia.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebie Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebie Sini papa be na upe bi ahye Amansane winna no baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yebie Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu
Eka unkuadia Eka mewu
No makwaba Ediba Kolike Medicals Limited you Kumasi Airport Roundabout Kwanye Kogo Kromo Utra Police Junction Ehwanelo Kolike Medicals asye anase hospital ewo Kumasi Krodiemu Bota yesi enisune se ba de be fa yensa so aboa nkofo dodo a ewo haw ewo woni paduemu kan yarewa diseases ye hwe ya repeat say arthritis eno pemu ni enkase mu sasabro isisi ya de obi adensem abu e wo se hye ni POP ye wonya dislocation of any of the bones or joints what the bakolika e be boa ama o mato make us say hypertension and when you diabetes and when you kidney problem or nice atata but modern brand na only ever 20 year na you will immerse some quite the juma and yet no point so you will infidie abodo on one you check the peduano you will laboratory sector you share the peduano the moja mu ya dia e koso ansa na the true account sebi ya kosua wo fie ya common school akosua de ebi mo fi tech ebi mo fi china ene ya kan ye hwaboma ye boase ni padodo bi obeba ye nchen no erade be fa ye saso e de apoto ama won enti onua wo hwe me o pe ba bi akọ o pa ya resabia bi akọ tutu na mo bra Kolike Medicals Limited ye wo Kumasi Airport Roundabout kwana e kogu na se amtoa kwan so no ubeti mafre telephone numbers na umu afidie so na se emwa bi ana o ha bi e che so a tutu amikabra na rade be fire so aboa ama hoto apa ene abusiafo ene nakofo nyina eso
Kolike Medical Limited physiotherapy units ena ye chere uba ya suya ye wo yade an du bibra yesa ahai massage unit ye wo machine a ye di bi obi a the children pain kasem ana say na aposo the joint area eno sad and chin ye wo UV light machine ye di truly panel so a say empo no e bia na dintin ni blood vessels no be PSC e mo akro to a e wo mo entin no e ma e moja no etimi edi